Hello guys and welcome to CGI Made Simple. In today's tutorial we will look into the Data Channel Modifier in 3ds Max. Today we will explore how to use this powerful tool to create parametric models. Let's dive into it. The Data Channel Modifier allows you to manipulate mesh data such as vertex, colors, normals, and other attributes to create sophisticated effects and deformations. You can use it as well to create wear-off and dirt effects on materials. In today's video, we'll create a parametric facade. So let's start. First we'll create a rectangle and let's make it 500 by 200 centimeters. And let's add a garment maker. Let's adjust the density. And let's create an editable poly out of this. Now let's chamfer those vertices to add more detail to the facade and create some organic shapes. Let's be careful not to collapse any vertices so that the shape looks nice. I think that it looks pretty nice and organic. Now let's add a noise modifier to make it even better looking. And let's copy it and change the scale. Okay, I think that it's nice to showcase what the modifier can do. So first let's select all the polygons and create a small inset. Let's invert the selection and delete them so that we have separate polygons. Let's add a bevel modifier. Let's extrude it like something like, for example, 3 centimeters, and let's adjust the bevel. I think this one looks nice like this. There are some problems here. I think that this one will fix it like this. Okay, let's add the bevel, and it looks nice and organic. Okay, let's copy this one here. and bring it up like this. We can even scale it to be smaller. To look more interesting. Okay, so here to the original facade, let's add a Morpher Modifier and pick the other wall. Now we can morph between those two types of walls. Like this. I'll add a smooth modifier on the top to fix the shading. Okay. Now let's create a path. So with this path we will control the way it blends and morphs between the two types of walls. And let's adjust it to have a nice looking variety. Now we'll create a dummy to control the effect, and let's add it to the path. So now we have 100 frames animation of this dummy along the path. You can adjust the animation from here to adjust the frames. Okay, now let's go back to our facade, and beneath the Morpher Modifier let's add our data channel. Here from the operators add a node influence operator and also a vertex output operator. So in the node influence we'll use our dummy to influence the animation, and let's adjust the values. Let's play a bit with the numbers. I think that something like this looks nice. Okay, in the vertex output choose vertex selection and the selection method to be to replace. Let's play our animation to check our facade. We have this nice and cool effect of a parametric facade, and we can add multiple dummies to control our facade and to make it even more interesting. And when we are satisfied with the result of certain frame, we can always go to tools, create a snapshot of our facade, and this way we'll have our facade without messing with our animation, and if we need we can create different variants and make comparison. And that's it, guys. We have covered the basics and some advanced techniques of using the Data Channel Modifier in 3ds Max, experimented with different operations and parameters to create unique parametric effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more 3ds Max tutorials. Happy modeling!
If you did enjoy anything in this video, then drop a like and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and join us. We have some great videos coming up next that you don't wanna miss. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.